Today I will show you a wonderful unit located in a wonderful complex in the center of town. This is the complex Nicole. It is located in the center of Las Terrenas. I believe this to be a wonderful location because it's right on the central street. You have a lot of restaurants, stores, everything is available to you by a walking distance. And you also have the ocean within 300 feet of you, a walking distance. So this is a new residency. It was built just recently. The units have been bought out and they have a high rate of rentability. And there's also one penthouse here located. And it is right behind me here. Look at it. It is located right on the 3rd floor. Right behind me here, have a closer look. And today we'll have a look inside and see what's in this penthouse. Say that the developers did a very good job on the construction side here of this residency. Specific developer has built a lot of property, developed a lot of property here in Las Terrenas. We're gonna have a look at the penthouse. It's a very good investment opportunity and we'll have a look at it and I'll tell you guys all about it. You can buy it, live in it, and rent it out all at the same time. Oh, you know, your own little mini business. Well, let's go have a look. So this is a very cozy residence. You feel right at home. It's called Nicole. It's located right at here in the center of Las Terrenas, 300 feet from the Atlantic Ocean, and you have a lot of restaurants and stores nearby. A wonderful beach. You have the fish market nearby. Now it's great to live in if you want a family here and you can settle down here. Also, it's a very good business opportunity if you want to buy this unit and then rent it out, have a passive source of income. All the units here in this complex are being rented out, plus here we have the wonderful, magnificent swimming pool. Everything here is brand new. You have a barbecuing zone right there, and they're planning on opening a little restaurant there right here. Look at the beauty here. Look at the clean, clear water. You have a little fountain right there. You have a little comfortable, cozy, compact apartments and units right here. At the very top, you have a magnificent penthouse. It has a beautiful view into the ocean. It's being rented out with all the furniture, with all the kitchen appliances and everything you need. This is a very good hotspot for attracting rentees, making some good money. A lot of people like coming here for a short term, maybe like a month or so. People like coming here for a week, maybe 2 weeks. And these people are willing to pay a pretty penny to live in a beautiful complex like this. And of course, have access to all the infrastructure that they need. You know, these are people, they don't want to take a car and rent out a car, a motorbike or whatever. They just want to walk out of their unit, walk out of their penthouse, go to where they need, buy everything they need and come back. A lot of rich Americans, rich Canadians, rich Europeans, they like these type of units. They rent them out and they pay really, really good money. So we have up for sale these types of units, and to be more concrete and specific, this penthouse right here in a new complex right in the center of town. Very beautiful, just perfect location. You can see the beauty that unfolds right before you, all from your own terrace, and you even have a view into the ocean. So the ocean is about 300 feet from you, like everything else. Everything is close by, within a walking distance. Your stores and everything you need. Now, in this penthouse, we have 2 floors, 2 stories. So here we have a massive terrace. Each floor is 1,291 square feet, a little bit shy of 1,300 square feet. So all in all, your surface area is 2,583 square feet, or just a little bit shy of 2,600 square feet. It recently has been rented out. Here we can see we have a beautiful, magnificent kitchen. It's an open space right here. Now here we see some old houses, but I think this will all change because a lot of development, real estate development is going on here in Las Terrenas. So a lot of these old houses will be knocked out and demolished, torn down, and new buildings, new property will be built and developed here. So here you have everything that you need in this kitchen: gas oven, gas stove. So everything's clean, cut out. By the way, the developer that built this complex and this penthouse built the Bonita Villas, and he in general develops a lot of property here in Las Terrenas. Now the quality of his work is top notch. Everywhere here we have air conditioning and air ventilators. So here on this floor we have 2 separate bedrooms and a big living room space with the kitchen. Now let's have a look at the bathrooms themselves. So right here we have a half bathroom, just a sink and a toilet, nothing much. And right here we have bedroom number 1. Of course, here we'll have everything ready. We'll have a mattress, all the design and interior stuff done. So don't worry about it. Here's a massive window that lets in a lot of light, so it has a lot of light in here. Plus we have a closet right here. Right there, you can put a television set in there, and you can decorate it as you please and as you want. Here we enter into the full bathroom that goes with this bedroom. So here we have a sink and a shower. So here we also have a window, so you have a natural airflow into the bathroom. So that was one of the bedrooms, and now we're going into the neighboring bedroom, bedroom number 2. So this bedroom basically has the same layout as bedroom number 1. You can use this bedroom as a kid's bedroom. So bedroom number 1 can be like a parent's bedroom, and this can be like a kid's bedroom. You know, you do all your own design, however you want to lay it out. Now this bedroom also has its own full bathroom. Now here we have our own sink, toilet, washing space, and right here we have our shower. So all in all, this is the condition that these these apartments are being rented out in. So all you need to do is put some sofas and decor in the living room, chairs, tables, etc. Buy them here, buy some plates and silverware, and that's all you need. This is a very spacious penthouse, and now we'll have a look at the second floor. So you can see for yourself from here all the infrastructure, all the stores that are available. It's all within walking distance. This is the central street of the town, so the complex itself, and of course the penthouse as part of it, is located right in the center of town. Here you have the fish market, all the restaurants, all the bars, everything you need within walking distance. Within 3 minutes, you have everything that you need. It's available to you. Have a clinic nearby, a bank, pool, the inner court, everything you need. And the complex itself isn't that big, so it's very compact, it's very cozy. The 3-story building in itself. So anyways, let's go have a look at story number 2, the second story. So it's very interesting, and later I'll have a look at the numbers and I'll tell you guys. So the access to the second floor goes from the communal staircase, which everybody has access to. The entrances into this penthouse are separate. You can use the second floor as for yourself, or you can rent it out. So here you have your own separate kitchen. So right here we have like a boiler room for your water heating and etc. And here we walk into another bedroom. You can use this like this is a bedroom. It's pretty big, it's pretty spacious. You can fit a lot of things into here. Just being a little bit touched up on. Here we have an air conditioning. Basically its own independent floor that can double up as a second unit. That can be a part of the single penthouse, or that can be rented out. Here we have a full bathroom. It's pretty big, pretty spacious. Here's the sinks. Here's the showering space, the shower. Everywhere here you have windows that let in a natural airflow. This is very important because everywhere where you have near the ocean, you have a lot of humidity. And if you don't have a natural airflow in such conditions, you get a lot of mold and dampness and rotting and all this very bad things that don't go well with the property. So always make sure that you have a natural airflow in any of your units or your apartments if you are located in a humidity area, high humidity area. So basically its own stand-in floor, 1,300 square feet, basically its own separate unit, the big magnificent terrace. We also have a jacuzzi. Here, let me climb up on top of the jacuzzi and you can just see the magnificent view you have out right here in front of you. Of course, you can see the ocean. Now, it's not the best ocean view, but you still have a view of the ocean. Keep that in mind. And here you also have a little gardening area. Here you can put some tables, some chairs, you know, some sunbathing beds. You can lay here, suntan, enjoy yourself. And okay, now let's have a look at the numbers. So this penthouse will cost you roughly 2,600 feet, will go you for $385,000 US dollars. Well, all in all, if you look at the price per square foot, it's a very good deal. So what can you do with this specific unit? You can live on the first floor. and rent out the second floor. So basically keep the bigger space for yourself and the smaller space you rent out. So the second floor you could rent out for about $120 per night. Of course, you can rent it out on a long-term basis, and that'll be about $1,000 per month. Basically, a one-bedroom with one jacuzzi. Maybe you can raise the price upwards of about $1,500 per month. So, all in all, you can live on the first floor and rent out the second floor. Or vice versa, live on the second floor and rent out the first floor. However, the first floor rents out for about $280 per night. So per month, you can get it for about maybe $5,000 per month. Or you can rent out the first and second floor. So all in all, those are the numbers. It's not a bad penthouse. It's a very good complex. It has a very good price. You always have the opportunity to rent it out and have a passive source of income. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.